Hello students, in the last lecture we see the combined equation of any two lines represent a general second degree equation. Okay, here combined equation of any two lines represent the general second degree equation. We have already seen the combined equation of two lines passing through origin represent homogeneous equation, and the every homogeneous second degree homogeneous equation represent two lines passing through origin. There is a combined equation represent two lines passing through origin, and the combined equation of lines passing through origin represent homogeneous equation. Okay, their converse part is also true. Here the general second degree equation, okay, combined equation of any two lines represent general second degree equation, but here the converse part need not be true. That is, every second degree equation need not be represent a pair of lines. Okay, here it is a general second degree equation. Every general second degree equation need not be represent a pair of line. For this there is a condition. Okay, here the general second degree equation, it represent pair of lines if the condition it is h square minus ab is greater or equal to 0, that is lines are real. Okay, and abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. If this condition satisfy, then the second degree equation represent pair of line. If this condition not satisfy, either this condition not satisfy, okay, h square minus ab, if h square minus ab is less than 0, there is a no pair of lines. Here if this condition satisfy, then the equation represent a pair of lines. Okay, here for the example, it is a second degree equation, x square plus y square is equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square equal to 0, or it is this not represent a pair of lines. Okay, because h square minus ab less than 0. Or we see it is a general equation. Okay, first we take the homogeneous equation. Okay, it is a homogeneous equation, but it not represent pair of lines. Okay, it also not represent a pair of lines because this expression cannot be satisfy this condition, or it is h square minus ab greater than or equal to 0. Therefore this second degree equation, it is a second degree homogeneous equation, but it is this second degree equation does not represent pair of lines. It is the equation of circle. Okay, we already seen in a 11th chapter. Okay, here it is the equation of circle, it does not represent a pair of line. This general second degree equation represent pair of lines if this condition satisfy. And here we can write this condition or this in the form of determinant. Here we solve this determinant, it is expansion of here this determinant. This expression is the expansion of this determinant. If in we solve this determinant, we get this equation. Okay, here the second degree equation represent pair of lines if this condition satisfy or this determinant take a value 0. Okay, both are same. For example, we get this condition or this condition. Okay, then if here the general second degree equation represent a pair of line, okay, any line, here we get example, it is 2x square plus 3xy minus y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. If this equation represent pair of lines, if this equation represent pair of lines, then the equation 2x square plus 3xy minus y square, here if this general second degree equation represent a pair of lines, that means two lines, then this first three terms, it is a represent a homogeneous equation. 2x square plus 3xy minus y square equal to 0. Then these two lines and these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, here the general second degree equation, any two lines, and the homogeneous equation represent two lines passing through origin. Here these two lines and these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, here if this equation represent pair of lines, then these lines parallel to lines represented by the homogeneous equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay, and these two lines and these two lines are parallel to each other, therefore the acute angle between them is the same as a homogeneous equation. Therefore in the homogeneous equation we get the formula for the acute angle, it's same for the general second degree equation, that is tan theta is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay, and parallel and perpendicular conditions are same. Here there is a new condition, here point of intersection. point of intersection between the lines represented by the general second degree equation. Here in the homogeneous equation we can't find the point of intersection because there is a point of intersection, it is the origin, because homogeneous equation is a combined equation of lines passing through origin, both lines passing through origin, therefore point of intersection is 0 0. Okay, here, okay, the general second degree equation does not is passing through any point. Okay, therefore here we get the find point of intersection by using this formula. Okay, here 2x square, it is a general second degree equation, then the point of intersection it is bg minus hf upon h square minus ab, and af minus gh upon h square minus ab. It is a point of intersection represented by the general second degree equation if h square minus ab greater than 0. If is equal to 0, then the lines are parallel and then there is a no point of intersection. Here if h square minus ab greater than 0, then we find the point of intersection. If h square minus ab greater than 0, then the lines are intersect each other. Okay, here we find the point of intersection by using, here suppose x comma y be point of intersection. Then we solve any two equations of the equation here, ax plus hy plus g equal to 0, then hx plus by plus f equal to 0, or gx plus fy plus c equal to 0. Here we find the point of intersection between the lines represented by general second degree equation. Also by using this method we solve any two equations out of three equations. Okay, and these three equations are, it is ahg, hbf and hgfc. Here point of intersection x comma y, we find it is first row, it is the first equation, ax plus hy plus z equal to 0, hx plus by plus f equal to 0, and gx plus fy plus c equal to 0. We can solve any two equations, then we get x and y, and that is the point of intersection. Or by using this formula we get the point of intersection. Now we see the examples on this. Example, show that the equation show that the equation 2x square minus xy minus 3y square minus 6x plus 19y minus 20 is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines. Represent a pair of lines. Now here this is a general second degree equation. General second degree equation represent a pair of lines if the two conditions are satisfied, that is h square minus ab greater or equal to 0, or the expression that is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Okay, or we can also the expression, otherwise it is determinant, that is the value of this determinant it is equal to 0. Okay, in any method. Now first, it is the given equation. Given equation 2x square minus xy minus 3y square minus 6x plus 19y minus 20 is equal to 0. It is the equation number 1. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now therefore a is equal to 2, h is equal to minus 1 by 2 because 2h is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 3, then g is also minus 3 because 2g is equal to minus 6, f is equal to 19 by 2, 2f is equal to 19 and c is equal to minus 20 are the value of a, h, b, g, f and c. Now equation 1 represents a pair of lines if h square minus ab greater or equal to 0 and abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Okay, these conditions are satisfied, then the equation 1, that is this second degree equation, represent a pair of lines. Now it is h square minus ab is equal to h square, h minus 1 by 2 minus ab 2 into minus 3 and that is 1 by 4 plus 6. It is 1 by 4 and it is plus 6 and therefore it is 25 by 4 and which is greater than 0. Okay, h square minus ab greater or equal to 0, then this condition satisfied. And the second condition, abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square. Okay, we find the value of this and this value becomes 0, then equation 1 represent pair of line. Therefore we can write a, it is 2, b, it is minus 3 and c, it is minus 20 plus 2 f, it is 19 by 2, g, it is minus 3, h, it is again 1 by 2, it is minus 1 by 2. ABC plus 2fg and h minus af square 2 into 19 by 2 square minus bg square, it is minus 3 into minus 3 square and ch square minus 20 into minus 1 by 2 square. Okay. Here now calculate. Minus get plus, it is 20 into 3 60 and 60 into 2 120 plus 120, then minus again it is plus. Here 2 get cancel. Okay, 19 into 3, okay, that is 57 by 2. Again here 2, here 19 upon 2 square, 19 square it is 361 upon 4 and here 2, that is 361 upon 2 minus 361 upon 2, then it is minus plus, it is plus and here it is square, that is 9 into 3 27 and last it is 1 by 4 and it is minus plus 1 by 4 into 20, it is 5. Okay, now calculate 120, 27 and 5. Okay, 27 and 5 it is 32, it is 152. Then here 57 upon 2 minus, therefore it is minus 361 minus 57, 361 minus 57, it is 11 minus 7, it is 4, then 0 and it is 3 upon 2, and then equal to 152 minus, again it is equal to 0. Therefore these two conditions are satisfied. Therefore this equation represent a pair of lines. Second degree equation represent pair of lines. Now second example. Now second, show that the equation x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 does not represent a pair of lines. A pair of lines. Therefore now the given equation it is x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, h is equal to 1, b equal to 2, g is equal to 1, f is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. Okay. Now the equation 1 represent pair of line if this condition satisfied. Now first find value it is. Therefore we can find h square minus ab is equal to h square minus ab, h square it is 1 square minus ab 1 into 2 and it is minus 1 and which is less than 0. Okay, therefore equation 1 does not represent a pair of lines. Because h square minus ab is less than 0. Okay? Therefore does not represent pair of line. Now next. So that the equation 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0 represent a pair of lines Also find the acute angle between them. Now same example, given equation 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 2, 2h is equal to 1, therefore h is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. b is equal to minus 1, 2g is equal to 1, therefore g is equal to 1 by 2, 2f is equal to 4, therefore f is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 3. Equation 1 represent a pair of line if this condition satisfies. Therefore, first find h square minus ab. H square minus ab. H square, it is 1 by 2 square minus ab, 2 into minus 1. Therefore, 1 by 4 plus 2, and that is 9 by 4, and which is greater than 0. First condition satisfy, and the second condition is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, then we find the value. ABC, 2 into B, it is minus 1. In C, it is minus 3. ABC plus 2F, it is 2. G, it is 1 by 2. And H, again it is 1 by 2. Minus AF square, 2 into 2 square, minus BG square, it is minus 1 into 2 square. So it is 1 by 2 square. And CH square, minus 3 into again 1 by 2 square. Okay, now calculate. It is plus 6. 2 get cancel here, plus 1 here, minus 8. It is 4 into 2, here minus minus plus 1 by 4, again minus minus plus, again it is 3 into 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Then 6 plus 1 minus 8, and it is plus 1. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, it is 1, and it is 0. Okay, therefore equation 1 represent a pair of lines. Now we find the acute angle between them. Let theta be acute angle between line ones. Okay, therefore tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay. Then 2 into under root of h square, it is 1 by 2 square, that is directly right, 1 by 4, minus ab, it is 2 into minus 1, and upon a plus b, 2 plus minus 1, and that is equal to 2 into under root of, it is 9 by 2 upon 1, 9 by 4, yes it is, and therefore it is 2 into 3 by 2 upon 1, it is 3, and therefore tan theta is equal to 3, and theta is equal to tan inverse of 3. Okay. Yeah. Now next, next example. Find k if the equation 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16y plus k is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines. Represents a pair of lines. Now here given equation 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16y and plus k is equal to 0. The compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 3, h is equal to 5, b is equal to 3. Here g, coefficient of x is absent, therefore it is a 0, and f is equal to 8 and it is k. Equation 1 represent pair of lines if both conditions are satisfied. Therefore, we can write if ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Therefore, put the values ABC 3 into 3 into K plus 2F, F it is 8, G it is 0 and H is equal to 5 minus AF square 3 into 8 square minus BG square 3 into 0 square minus CH square K into 5 square is equal to 0. Now calculate. It is 9K plus 0 minus here 64 into 3, 64 into 3 it is 192. 64 into 3, 64 it is 192 minus 0 and minus 25k is equal to 0. Therefore, here 9k minus 25k, 9 minus 25 it is a 16 minus 16k is equal to 192 and therefore k is equal to 192 upon minus 16 and that is minus 12. K is equal to minus 12. It is the value of k. Now next. X square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus y plus k is equal to 0 represent a pair of lines. Then find the value of k. Therefore, the given equation x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus y plus k is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Now, a is equal to 1, h is equal to 3 by 2, b is equal to 2, g is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to k. Equation 1 represent pair of line if this condition satisfied. Therefore, ABC 1 into 2 into k plus 2f it is minus 1 by 2, g 1 by 2 and h it is 3 by 2. Then minus af square 1 into minus 1 by 2 square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Now calculate. It is 2k minus, it is 1 minus, okay, 2 to get cancel, it is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, okay. Then again here 1 by 4 and it is 2, therefore minus it is 2 by 4 minus 9k by 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, throughout multiplying by 4, 8k minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 9k is equal to 0. Therefore 8k minus 9k minus k, it is minus 6 is equal to 0, and therefore k is equal to minus 6. It is the value of k. Find P and Q. Find P and Q if the equation px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0 represents pair of perpendicular lines. Represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Okay. Now, given equation px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0. Therefore, P is equal to, it is A is equal to P, H is equal to minus 4, B is equal to 3, G is equal to 7, F is equal to 1, and C is equal to, it is Q. Then equation 1 represent pair of perpendicular lines. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 0. It is a condition for the perpendicular lines. Then A plus B, that is P plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, P is equal to minus 3, and that is P means A. A is equal to minus 3. Okay. Here the value of P, it is a one answer. P is equal to minus 3. Now, second condition, it is and ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Therefore, put the all values. Here, ABC, A, it is minus 3. B, it is 3. C, it is Q. Plus 2, F, F it is 1. G, it is a 7. H, it is a minus 4. Minus AF square, that is minus 3 into F square, that is 1 square. Minus BG square, that is 3 into 7 square. Minus CH square, Q into minus 4 square is equal to 0. Okay. Now calculate. It is minus 9Q minus, it is minus, okay, 7 into 4, it is 28, it is 56. Then plus 3 minus, it is 49, 49 into 3, 147, and it is minus 16Q is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 9Q and minus 16Q, minus 25Q. Then again here, minus 56 plus 3, it is minus 53. 53 and 47, it is minus 200 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 25Q is equal to 200, and therefore Q is equal to minus 8. Okay, and it is the last answer. P is equal to minus 3 and Q is equal to P is equal to minus 3 and Q is equal to minus 8. It is the last answer. Okay. Now next example. find p and q if 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0 represent pair of parallel lines. Represents a pair of parallel lines. Now it is given equation 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore a is equal to 2, h is equal to 4, b is equal to p, g is equal to, it is q by 2, f is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 15. Equation 1 represent pair of parallel line. Therefore the condition it is h square minus ab is equal to 0. h square 4 square minus ab 2 into p is equal to 0. Therefore p is equal to, it is 16 2p, p is equal to 8 and that is b is equal to 8. It is the first question. Okay. Now the second condition is therefore put the all values a b c. A it is 2, b it is 8, c it is minus 15, abc minus sorry it is plus 2 f it is 1, g it is q by 2 and h it is 4 minus 2 into 1 square minus 8 into q by 2 square minus 15 into h square, h it is a 4 equal to 0. Now here 15 into 8, here 15 into 8, 15 into 8 it is minus, okay, 15 into 8 it is 120 and 120 into 2 it is 240. Then here 2 get cancelled, plus 4q, again here minus 2, here q square by 4 cancel, it is minus 2q square and it is plus 240 is equal to 0. 16 into 15. Okay. Here it is 16 into 15, 240. Therefore 240 get cancelled. Here minus 2q square plus 4q minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore take minus 2 common. Therefore we have q square minus 2q and plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore it is q minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. q minus 1 equal to 0 and therefore q is equal to 1. Therefore p is equal to 8 and q is equal to 1. It is the last answer. Okay, now next.